Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the De'Longhi Eletta Deluxe.
Yep, both promise that bean-to-cup experience, but there are some key differences. The Philips is going for around $600, while the De'Longhi, well, it's currently unavailable, so pricing is a bit of a mystery.
Right, availability is a biggie. But let's dive into specs. The Philips boasts a 12-step grinder adjustment, which is great for dialing in that perfect grind, and it makes 5 different coffee types.
The De'Longhi highlights its 15-bar pump pressure for that coffee shop quality espresso. Plus, the LatteCrema system claims superior milk frothing, even with non-dairy milks. That's a nice touch.
I see that. The Philips uses the LatteGo system, which is supposed to be super easy to clean and creates silky smooth froth, but it doesn't specifically call out non-dairy options.
Good point. And the De'Longhi has a built-in steel burr grinder, ensuring the freshest cup every time. The Philips says it has durable ceramic grinders. Ceramic is good, but steel burr grinders are the real deal.
True. Dimension-wise, they're pretty similar, though the De'Longhi is noticeably heavier at 30.6 pounds versus the Philips at 21.6 pounds. So moving it around might be a pain.
And the Philips is a bit older, first available in 2019, while the De'Longhi is a relatively newer model from March 2024. Newer tech could mean better reliability.
The Philips has way more reviews, too. 55 ratings versus only 3 for the De'Longhi. Though interestingly, the De'Longhi has a perfect 5-star rating, while the Philips has 4.1. But small sample size, you know?
Exactly. It's hard to make a solid judgment call with so few reviews. One reviewer raves about the De'Longhi, mentioning a desire for roach-free coffee. An interesting selling point. Haha. The Philips reviews rave about ease of use and great taste.
Huh. Yeah, well, overall, if you can actually find the De'Longhi and you prioritize milk frothing with non-dairy alternatives and a steel burr grinder, it might be worth checking out. But the Philips, with its wider availability and established user base, seems like a safer bet, and is cheaper.
I agree. It really boils down to what you value more. Potentially better milk frothing and a fresher design and grinder, or availability and a lower price point.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.